I didn't stop the previous one. Alright, here we go. That wasn't good. That wasn't good either. Oh well. It was a little sloppier. I wish I'd done that last turn in my previous run. I would have done better.
What was your time for the last one?
51-1 or something like that.
Let's go check this one out.
So thank you.
No, thank you.